Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to use scientific calculator in equation mode. In today's session, we will specifically target on how to solve quadratic and cubic equations like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So, first we will go for quadratic equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You can see this equation is quadratic, hence containing two solutions. So there will be two values for x and three constants will be given to us. Let's solve 2x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0 quadratic equation. Generally, we solve this equation manually by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But it is little lengthy way to solve. Let's see how to use calculator for the same. So for that we have to go in equation mode first. So press on mode. Equation mode is at 5. So press 5. You can see this equation is matching with third type, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we will press 3. So it is asking for the coefficients. So we have 2, 3 and minus 9. So 2 equal to 3, then press equal to, and minus 9 press equal to. So these three values are filled in the calculator. Now just press equal to button to have first value of solution, that is a 3 by 2, and another value of x is minus 3. So 3 by 2 and minus 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now we will see how to solve cubic equation, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0 form. So for instance, we have one equation 12x cube minus 28x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So since this is cubic equation, we will be having three solutions for this equation. So we'll get three values for x. So first go to mode, then find out equation mode. It is at 5. So press 5. Then this type of equation is fourth type matching here, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So we'll press 4. Now it is asking for the coefficients. So we have first coefficient 12, then minus 28, press equal to after every number, then minus 3 equals to, and then 7 equals to. So all these values are filled in the calculator. Press equal to button to see first answer, that is 7 by 3. Then second value of x is 1 by 2, and third value we get minus half. So this way we can find out roots of the equation. If it is cubic equation, we have three solutions for, and if we have quadratic equation, we have two values of x. Thank you. Keep learning.